How your zodiac sign flirts when they really, really like someone. Part 1. Starting off with Aries, they usually play this pull push game. Like, one moment they're completely obsessed with you, they're like revolving, their world revolves around you, they're obsessively texting, calling. You'll see them everywhere you go. Everyone around them, everyone around you will know how obsessed they are with you, how much of a huge crush they have on you, and then the next moment, poof, they're gone. No texts, no calls. It's like they disappeared. They're still socially active. Like you'll see stories or posts or whatever indicating that they're still on the scene and nothing's wrong with them, but they're just like gone, and it creates this psychological effect that you keep wanting more for them. But the fact that they are this obsessively involved with you will indicate that they do like you. For Taurus, Taurus believes in teasing and sarcasm. They like having this banter type of a relationship. Like they'll constantly be smiling and smirking and saying all these like sarcastic comments, but the entire time you and them will have this smirk going on, which will indicate that both of you know that the other one does not mean what they're saying, but it's actually coming from a place of affection. Teasing is like their love language. Geminians, they will start complimenting you out of nowhere, and I need to say this: Geminians do not go out of their way to make comments on someone else. They like to keep things surface level, and so if they're making observations about you, much more than that, if they're making positive observations about you and actually expressing them to you, that's a huge sign. And usually they'll compliment in a way where it is genuine, but you'll still be a little confused. Do they mean it, or is this just like a superficial thing and it'll again psychologically do something to you? Geminians need to be studied for this, okay? Cancerians, they like crossing the lines. Like they'll cross the line and then come back. They'll do provocative shit, like touch you on your arm or say something extremely flirtatious in public and then act like, oh, that wasn't a big deal, no, nothing really happened, and the only person that they'll be this daring around is you. So that means that they love you a lot or like you a huge deal. Leos will brag to no end. Oh, yeah, I went to Harvard. Like it'll be one of those things ki, yeah, I make about a little more than a mil or something like that. And they'll be like, I'm the best option that you could possibly have, and you better snatch me up before I move my interest to someone else. Okay? Watch out for part 2. Keep spilling!